Windows play an essential role in every home. They provide natural light, ventilation, and protection from the elements. But when they're cracked, drafty, or not closing properly, they can impact your comfort, energy efficiency, and even safety. For Washington homeowners, with the region's mix of rain, wind, and seasonal temperature swings, keeping your windows in top condition is especially important. When repairs are needed, choosing the right professional makes all the difference. Here's how to select the best window repair service in Washington. Look for local experience. Washington's climate is unique, with rainy winters, humid springs, and the occasional snow. A repair company that understands these conditions will know how to address common issues like water leaks, condensation, and drafty frames. Why it matters. Local experts are familiar with which materials and repair techniques work best for Washington homes. Tip: ask how long the company has served your community and what types of window problems they handle most often. Check licensing and insurance. Any reputable window repair service should be fully licensed and insured to work in Washington. This protects you from liability if accidents happen during the job and ensures that the technicians are qualified to perform repairs. What to verify: contractor license number, proof of insurance, and bonding if required. Peace of mind. Working with a licensed and insured company gives you confidence that your repair is in professional hands. Review customer feedback and references. The best indicator of quality service is what other homeowners have experienced. Take time to read online reviews, check testimonials on the company's website, or ask for direct references. Positive signs. Consistent feedback about punctuality, professionalism, and lasting repair results. Red flags. Complaints about hidden fees, unfinished work, or poor communication. Hearing from other Washington homeowners will help you gauge whether a company lives up to its promises. Ask about services and specialties. Not all window repair companies offer the same services. Some may focus on glass replacement, while others handle frame repairs, hardware issues, or weatherproofing. For Washington homes, look for companies that specialize in fixing moisture problems, sealing against drafts, and restoring energy efficiency. Added value. A company that offers both repair and replacement options can give you a better idea of whether fixing or replacing your windows is the most cost-effective solution. Evaluate energy efficiency expertise. With rising energy costs and Washington's chilly winters, energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners. A quality repair service should not only fix the problem but also recommend improvements to boost your home's insulation and performance. Ask about low-E glass upgrades, weather stripping, and sealant solutions. Why it matters. Properly repaired windows can reduce drafts and lower your heating and cooling bills. Get detailed estimates before committing. Request written estimates from at least 2 or 3 window repair companies. A clear, detailed quote should outline the scope of work, glass replacement, frame repair, resealing, etc. Materials being used, labor costs, timeline for completion. Compare not only the price but also the quality of materials and the thoroughness of the repair plan. Ask about warranties. A reliable window repair service should stand behind their work. Warranties on parts and labor give you protection if the same problem resurfaces shortly after the repair. Tip: ask about warranty terms before signing a contract. Benefit: warranties show that the company is confident in the quality of their work. Final thoughts. Choosing the right window repair service in Washington is about more than fixing a crack or draft. It's about finding a partner who understands local conditions, values your home's comfort, and provides lasting results. By checking credentials, reviewing customer feedback, comparing estimates, and prioritizing energy efficiency, you'll be well equipped to make the best choice. With the right repair professionals, your windows will not only look and function like new but also keep your Washington home secure, comfortable, and efficient for years to come.